have a confession to make. I'm switching to natural deodorant. Or at least I'm thinking about it. Looking into it? Trying it? If you also want to try, here's what you need to know. A lot of people switch to minimize their exposure to chemicals found in conventional antiperspirants, which is totally fair. Now, there will be a transition period, but a lot of folks find that the benefits outweigh the initial challenges. Natural deodorant just works differently than the conventional stuff. The adjustment period from aluminum compounds, typically found in conventional antiperspirants and deodorants, to utilizing aloe, tea tree, and natural fragrances, like Geology's natural deodorant, is going to take some time. So during this transition, you may actually sweat a little more than usual or experience the smallest bit of odor. This may last a few weeks, but your body's essentially detoxing from the chemicals you're used to using. But rest assured, when this period is over, you are good to go. Natural deodorant should work as well, if not better, than the other stuff, and as an added bonus, it should be a bit more gentle on your skin, which is great for people with allergies, sensitive skin, etc. So what do you think? Will you be giving natural deodorant a try? With some patience and some experimentation, it can be a great way to support your health and wellness. Oh, and did I mention that it's better for the environment? Just like another win for sure.